Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be about the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette, which is incredible. I'm going to be reviewing it for the first time and creating two different looks on the eyes. Why create one when you can do more than one? So keep on watching and I hope you guys love this. And don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you guys. And just FYI, this packaging is incredible. I love the velvet touch of this palette. Definitely one of the best palettes I've ever purchased. So first thing first, I'm going to start with just priming my eye with concealer. I'm going to be using the lightest shade in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, which is the shade Fair. Next thing I'm going to do is create my crease. Since I have hooded eyes, that is one thing that really does suck about having hooded eyes, is that when you add color to your creases, you don't really see it. So creating your own definitely helps. Now what I'm doing next is using this other shade, and I'm going to fill in the little gap between my natural crease and the one I just created. Next thing, just blend, blend, blend. Next thing I'm going to do is grab this shade, Pink Magic, and I'm going to cover half of my lid. To be honest, another thing you can do also, obviously this is only if you're doing it on yourself, you can use your finger, because your finger does grab a lot of the pigmentation too when you're using glitter shades, but sometimes I do prefer using brushes, but that's just a little FYI. Just in case your brushes don't work, use your finger and that'll definitely grab a lot of pigmentation. So right here I just decided to make the crease line I created a little bit more bold, just by adding some more color. Alright, next step is the lightest shade, Your Majesty, just to give that brow bone that little glow. Now just clean off that excess eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be using the Jeffree Cosmetics matte liquid liner to create the crown. After this, I'm going to be using an angled brush with the shade Executioner from the Bloodlust palette. And I'm going to be going over the eyeliner just to give it that bold look. And I'm also going to be blending down towards the Blood Queen shade. there you have it. This is the look I was aiming for. Now for part 2, I will be creating a much more dramatic look. I wanted to go with like a dramatic eyeliner, so keep an eye out for that. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful day.